They used AI in 90 to 100% of their content, which caused them to get penalized.
SEOscience.com.
So yeah, the main things that Google has penalized in this round of updates was AI-generated spammy content, which we talked about briefly last week, but to cover in more detail. According to originality.ai, 100% of the domains that have been punished have used AI on most, if not all, of their articles, which makes sense if they're trying to de-index AI-generated content. Which is not surprising really, as they have been hammering on that for a while now.
Yeah.
So that's the result of the update.
Yeah, and it's been pretty ruthless again, hasn't it?
Yeah.
What was the findings that you, like the figure that you quoted to me before about the number percentage of
Oh, yeah,
AI
yeah.
on sites? That was a pretty damning figure for anyone who's looking to AI for the future of SEO.
Yeah, according to Originality.ai, it was 100% of the de-indexed websites have used AI, and then yeah, they used AI in 90 to 100% of their content, which caused them to get penalized.
Yeah.
And that's on the AI websites that they checked specifically as well. And obviously, they are a source for AI news, so it makes sense as to if them having the accurate stats for that one.